Children, it is activity page 25 for day 20. It is a activity about the types of numbers. Children, you learnt about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational, etc. Then what are natural numbers? You know that the counting numbers are called natural numbers. You know that while counting the object, you are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this way. Then what about whole numbers? The set of numbers containing natural numbers together with 0. Extra 1 0 will be there. Together with the natural numbers, extra 1 0 will be there. So, this set is called the whole numbers. This set of natural numbers together with 0 is called whole numbers. You know that natural numbers are the counting numbers. You are using the numbers from 1 to 3 so on to count the objects. If 0 is included, and that set becomes the set of whole numbers. Next, integers. Set of integers is a set in which natural numbers are there, 0 is there, and opposite of natural numbers. Togetherly it is called set of integers. Set of integers. In the set of integers, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so on is there, and 0 is there. And opposites of natural number means negative integers. Natural numbers are the positive integers, and opposites of natural number means they are the negative integer, and 0 is neither negative nor positive. So all these numbers combine to form integers. Next, rational numbers. So the number which can be expressed in the form of p by q is called rational number. The set of rational number can be written as p by q, where p belongs to z, q belongs to z, and q is not equals to 0. The number which can be expressed in the form of numerator by denominator, p by q. Here p and q are the integers, but q should not be equals to 0. So the set of rational numbers includes natural numbers, whole numbers, all integers. Together with that, it includes decimals and fractions. Decimals and fractions. So here you can say that n is a subset of w, and nw are the subset of z, and nw and z are the subset of q. Here in the rational numbers, that is in the set q, you can consider natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, fractions, decimals, all. Natural numbers means only positive integers. Whole numbers means extra 1 0 will be there. Integers means it includes both natural numbers, whole numbers, extra means negative integers. In Q, in the set of rational numbers, all natural numbers, all whole numbers, integers, all integers, together with that decimals and fractions. So you observe the figure. If you observe these figures, if 1 means you can write that in the set n, but it means this n is whole number and also integer and also rational numbers. Now if you want to write 0, 0 you can write. It does not comes in the set n. So 0 comes in the set w, and it is also z, it is also q, z is also, this 0 is also, and 2 is there. 2 is also, you can take here also. Here you can write 2 in the set of natural numbers, but this 2 is also whole number, this is also integer, this is also rational numbers. Now you take this minus 5, minus 4, 10, minus 4. These are not natural numbers and whole numbers, but they are integers. They are the integers. So it comes only in the set of integers. Next, q. Q includes all. See here, q includes all. You can add natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, but fractions and decimals are there means you must take there only. It does not belongs to the set z, w and n. Only these fractions and decimals you take in the place of q only. Don't take in the place of z, w or n. Children, Here is a activity on the numbers. Here what you have to do, write the following numbers accordingly. Here in n which numbers comes that you have to write, in w which numbers comes that you have to write, next z and q. So here you know the nature of the numbers. Negative one means you must take, if it is the integer you must take only in the z. Decimals and fractions you must take in the here only. But the natural numbers, positive integers, you must take in the column n. W means you can extra 0 because w includes both this 2. Next z means it includes all these 3. Then only special thing, that is negative integers you must take in this area. In this area you must take only negative integers. Again here you know that q includes all this n, w, z. But you must write the fractions and decimals in this area only. In this area only. Think and write, children. So take these numbers and write them accordingly. Now about the even number and odd number. You know even number, numbers which are divisible by 2 means the group of 2 elements can be done here. Two objects can be done. Numbers which are divisible by 2. So what are the digits in the unit place of the even number? The unit digit of the even numbers are any one of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the unit digit of a given number is 0, then you can conclude it is even number, or if it is unit digit is 2, then also it is even number. If unit digit is 4, then also it is even number. If unit digit is 4, then also it is even number. If unit digit is 8, then also it is even number. If there are even number of objects, you can make them group of 2 objects. Here 8 is the number, 8 objects are there, means here in the first you can have first pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. Here 4 pair of 2 elements you can make by using 8 objects. Next about the odd numbers. So numbers which are not divisible by 2. Numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd number, and the unit digit of odd number is any one of 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So the unit digit of odd numbers are any one of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And if there are odd number of objects, you can't make them as a pair of 2 objects. Here one single object remains without pair. So that is the nature of the odd number of objects. Now children, with the help of this given hint, circle the even number. Here 4, 7 are there. Here 17, 12, 222, 701, 9, 6, 6, 17, 72, 75, 13, 16, 9, 12, 10, 7, 18, 13, 800, 799, 11, 70, 15, 72, 111, 22, 31, 4, 5, 6, 3, 552, 441. Now about the prime numbers. What are prime numbers? What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by only 2 numbers, 1 and that number, and they are not divisible by any other number except 1 and that number. So the prime numbers are having only 2 factors. Prime numbers are having only 2 factors. Which are the 2 factors of prime numbers? 1 and that number only. Prime numbers are having only 2 factors, means they are divisible by only 2 numbers, 1 and that numbers. They are not divisible by any other number. So they are having only 2 factors. So you can give the examples. 2. 2 is a prime number. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. And this 2 is not divisible by any other number except 1 and that 2. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, so on. All these are prime numbers. There are infinite numbers of prime numbers and they are having only two factors. You take any number here. If you take 23, what are the factors of 23? Only 1 and 23. What are the factors of 29? Only 1 and 29. They are having only one factors. Next, the opposite of prime number is composite number. Composite numbers are having more than two factors. They are divisible by 1, that number, and other numbers also. So, composite numbers are having more than two factors. 1, that number, and other numbers. So, you take number here and their factors and verify whether the given number is prime number or composite number. So the first one, 8. What are the factors of 8? 8 is divisible by 1, 8 is divisible by 2, 8 is divisible by 4, and also it is divisible by 8. So here more than two factors are there. Here it is divisible by 1 and that number 8, together with that extra two factors are there. So you can say that it is it is not prime number, it is composite number. So write it is composite number. Similarly, take 25. What are the factors of 25? 25 is divisible by 1, divisible by 5, divisible by 25. So it is having more than two factors. Therefore, you can conclude it is composite number. Write that. Similarly, 30. 30 is also composite number. What are the factors of 30? Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 10, 15, 30. So these are the factors of 30. So what you can conclude here that you write. Next 5. What are the factors of 5? Know that 5 is divisible by 1 and that number, so only two factors are there for 5, 1 and 5. Then you give the conclusion. Then 48. 48 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, 8, 12, 16 and 24 and 48. Write all the factors of 48 and give the conclusion whether it is composite or prime. Then 19. What are the factors of 19? You write. 19 is divisible by only 1 and that number. 12. What are the factors of 12? You know that it is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Then 89. Here what are the factors of 89? Here you find the factors of 89. Factors of 89 are 1 and 89. And check whether it is divisible by any other number or not. Then 100. Write the factors of 100. 100 is divisible by which numbers that you have to write. Next 121. What are the factors of 121? It is divisible by 1, 11 and also 121. So it is having more than two factors. Like this way, verify the factors, find the number of factors and give the conclusion whether it is composite number or prime number. Children, here is a list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 up to 40 are there. Here it starts from 1. Serial numbers are there, all natural numbers. All natural numbers. From this list of numbers, here you must write choose all even numbers and write. Here write the even numbers. Write all even numbers. Choose all odd numbers and write. Choose all prime numbers and write. Choose all composite numbers and write. Choose all natural numbers and write. Choose all whole numbers and write. Choose all integers and write. Know the natural numbers and whole numbers and also integers, prime numbers, composite numbers, odd numbers, even numbers that you have to choose from this list of numbers. And here one more thing I have to tell that 1 is neither prime nor composite. but it is a natural number, it is an integer, it is a whole number, and it is a rational number. You can take this one to that list. And also one, you know, it is odd number, it is not even number, but it is neither prime nor composite, it is odd, and it is natural number, whole number, integer, and also it is rational numbers.